All right, my memo akwaba Emra and Jumediane so legal hour. Our GN Radio UK so ara na pay. Wada obodi na so say wabo akwanya to baby akwanya enie. Anye nipa ni nyina na nya ne seye. Aso achiche na adom na odibi asom ne umienu so ama ye nso ye kate asafo ho. Ene moja edi mu afrisane. Beche say ye na adom ara kwa. Na papa mame ene wapo mu te say. Bibia ye okay de. Say what sorry. When you ati wo ahoden moja edi mu afrisane de afasada emu odin pa fa mo twedi amponyankopon. Esan say sabe wan hwe obone so onu wane ni yenwa mo ko na yemu enra anase ye kompa so nra no nye nyina na enya kwanya anne anapai yetumi asori enti same na omienu yetumi asori na moja edi emu afrisane dia na chese awurade ni ye na adi ni ye papa oh wa ma chichumbi Sabre mamo bibiara kwaba. Mamo bibiara kwaba ba aya liga awa jumadi no so awa GN Radio. Sabre ya live awa Facebook and afin so YouTube and also ya was so live. Oko TUNEIN so you was so live. I know say obe search GN Radio UK. Samre say uba Facebook at bepacho share my na obi answer enkrebi na twe jumedi no enkwaso wano say yourself ata say oko YouTube so subscribe to your page no like it. Alright, Emra so say ye kofa Daniel Kwe of Fortwell Solicitors. Omo enene anape no omo ebabedi jumedie Fortwell Solicitors company and say law firm womo immigration some litigation family law and then you can pay Senator Mikano, one of the directors say Daniel Kwe and no eba between in komo ewa hey. Iti mema na kwaba eba jumedi no so na ya tutwi yan komo. Good morning Daniel.
Good morning darling J.
Obade no agbe ho ba me na so ya san ahiem bi na boko de.
Oh nyamia dom boko I hope so so ohuye ede.
Oh nyame adom enya yanya hu ye ho de na chese adom no bia no all right yo and yeah back fast say update bi o ha fama ye na afi me fa questions no ema no
yo updates dear kakra ewo ho na before I member updates no me person me use sa opportunity we dey other yetie for any omo weekend we almost joining away first and as a maiden online virtual webinar it was very impressive. A month for be ebeka or mobile so no they benefited from panelists team and panel more bekasa near accountants ne tax experts in amount for any we tax issues biano omutimi ebeyi omunya answers pepe also and it was very impressive and omo boy a man yes successful nya me person da obia ase we are planning the next month's one and also you believe say ebeboa amount for year obviously no before time obeso no ye need for be share na nkrofo bebre etimi a benefit from it. Na say dia wokan no updates no in some ekokoso we were home office for updates immigration rules updates yeah almost about to edra on the 14th of May. Me pese me boso kakra.
Okay.
And with COVID-19 issues, so no.
Okay.
Or try via say omobeboa amount for during these difficult times, just 21st of May, we are not going to be for BBFN bereavement scheme, almost extended for NHS social care workers. Say we are NHS worker, we are care worker, or any private firm be now say na because of where Juma into COVID-19 affect na a beer one kasa and answer or family member be a kabebia. What they have announced they say on indefinite leave to remain without paying any way visa fee beer and anything to 2.5 years we are renewal in due time or crown or qualify for indefinite leave to remain na would be and now who can be a training because of the Juma all year through COVID-19. What they've done is apart from compensation scheme and government are now those people home office also are willing say bedding and which we believe say it's helpful. We are hoping say and will not fall victim to COVID-19, but should it happen at least him say and Boabi or normal home office for a year prepared and as we are willing say on what the we also know to say extended way almost scheme whereby omuye ejuma ema NHS any omuye ejuma ma private care homes omuye due somewhere visa renewal no for free for 1 year. This is a policy announcing trying for the detailed guidelines and Casa Fortwell Solicitors tried more recently for them to clarify a few issues for us. One of the issues we want to clarify and omukra 2.5 years Nancy and whether say almost so qualify and now say almost work permits in a qualify. We are hoping say by the next week program we will have firm answers for them say abia obia over qualify bia include no 2.5 years in the area to draft na onye sure na bia why your application and so recently and so no opportunity or honum provide the email address be able to send you email to know say idea one so no sa benefits ne ebetimi affect you na chese wetimi refund bia into your applications amo recently year juma care home NHS what we have done is we've taken the proactive steps are requested for refund if Namia Adomna said they are part of the policy hopefully almost they refund which we believe say good news for amount for because Obibeka Sekitwebia insha home office fees if home office are willing to assist people so that they will get their leave to remain extended without having to pay any extra fees. Then I think it's a very, very, very good initiative. Another thing in SWA home office for a year, we realized in the course of the week, the fact say EU nationals need omobusian for application now or online no we are sending documents for identification to home office because we realized that now app system was not working in applications came at this stage. What I can announce to your listeners and then they say CCR no a possible say ubetimi aye application or online we are now a web posty or documents at home office and only a new guidelines are about this week which we believe it can be helpful to the TF4. Another issue also I'm present in the TF4 areas of this now we believe say very relevant to your listeners one of the main areas a representative of overseas business and some type of visa we know say enye common, but yen ankasa Fortwell Solicitors, and we've done it for a number of companies and businesses are Ghana person establish a branch say some type of visa be a friend or representative of overseas business. Something that we specialize in. A few years ago we wrote an article on it. I published your daily graphic near Ghana, which detailed how more businesses were person be establish branches say in a crown betimi afaso no more. But I must add say, even though you can say businesses, any businesses, we also know say in Soriba, sorry, person be establish branches wahano omutimi you should same route in a best. Oh yes,
and I'm sorry about the
if you are sorry, Ghana now also maybe a branch we have a number of options and as a routes available to you. I what amount for more fast so basa representative of overseas business so but what we realize and they say home office for a cheap coin said now in Honoma or na sorry Ghana and our business Ghana or prefer be a branch what has say service away no a man who quite Emma to be fee business nimu Emma establish branch in ewa has say Emma but home office for now realizes say business owners nankasano no person we use to route we don't accommodate na krumha and a lot of people have been doing that in the past way and no person streamlining the kakra na more difficult for the actual business owners to be able to use SAR routes to come here and establish and stay here for themselves, because now we get SAR routes so a very less complicated Sikasemnia didn't yan form paperwork and all this extra. It was difficult. Yes, into a lot of businesses are in the past or multi establish some branches wahana. That is the route I use more or more. Say you meet me to be more trusting a see honum normal bahas no abe a jumana amomo. Into normal streamlining a kakra and changes now announced on the 14th of May now. One major changer a buyer for EA settle scheme a year. The fact says CCR no say worry EU ni and now say why your application and that's our appendix EU your friend the pre-settle status now nyanya will is remain. Now you are suffering from domestic violence. Also ubetimi a year application for indefinite leave to remain in the same way na Oma worry British nationals, new Oma worry indefinite leave to remain for no so Omo victim of domestic violence. Yetini indefinite leave to remain. No, Oma extended Ediakoma EU for first. Now what we realize and say there was a difference between Oma worry British and Oma Mukra indefinite leave to remain and Oma worry EU for Oma worry EU for no say asemu biba. Bono, there's any abuse it was very difficult for them to be able to make applications say on being indefinite leave to remain unless you say our reno it's been going on for at least 3 years and no almost year application for retention of rights na more indefinite but say if more worry for up to 3 years na dipana worry no or boo or abuse you there was no avenue for you into Nkofo and Krata essay because of that. And now say Nkofo had to endure what we call domestic abuse in their relationships because Osro said say ofi aware anymore ontimi and twaso and kunyane and Krata and for that reason there's a lot of NGOs charity organizations are now almost pressure abandon say scheme now worry indefinite for no and as worry British for no use no no it will be extended to EU nationals. And the good news is in this immigration rule changes or more announced recently, they have included them in it, which is brilliant. Into say what worry EU near banka say media me tinase ma ya bomiana say me tinase ma ya abuse me ya me wo ma worry mu anyama enko ye because usro say bia ufia ware ni ma uni kwan a obefa so na wodi one krata. So this is brilliant news. Apart from that, there were a number of minute little changes affected omo application under innovator route, omo application under student visa routes near there. But I wouldn't go into those ones on this platform yet. But if OBTA and I say ABA on a student visa and I say or application under any of those ABA innovator routes, so background, because we know say community, that route is not really common. Anytime person may take it time off here, limited time and to go into those details. But if anyone is interested to know more, that's what free after the program, we are more than happy say be advising on that state. I may say you see this opportunity, so at the TF4 action also say with the changes are after Brexit, with the changes with our point-based system, they go through Parliament at the moment. It's being debated here and there. It is very, 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 very important. Say businesses, individuals, will start preparing themselves to for life after Brexit, Appendix E. We are air corner, because what is going to happen, people need to be aware. With all these changes and the transition period, once it is over, we will not be able to do it going forward. One of the main things that we will not be able to do going forward, will be the fact that so will worry obia and I say worry EU. The simple fact out in year our now we say I won't coffee. That is something that going forward and after the transition period is going to change.
Wow.
Another thing also say businesses will need to understand say after transition period so person will employ obi of EU still no sadi pani here work permit like any other person. Into businesses and individuals need to start preparing for life after the transition period. I guess you'll be caught way hands down now when you're ready. Into what we are telling businesses or what we are encouraging churches and individuals, and they say, look, so any business, any form of business, first now nanka ultimika say, oh, be our crack continent passports now why juma amameno. It is not going to be that again. It is important saying you need to start thinking about ways and means as a business. No be a friend of sponsorship license, because without a sponsorship license, after the transition period, employ will be of EU of continent crampo, because the law will not allow you. Everybody is going to be treated in the same way as they are treating Ghanaian nationals, and as mobile has said, whether say Ufi continent or Ufi Hifa, you'll be treated the same way. Businesses need to seriously consider preparing themselves to life after the transition, because we've realized that we've been talking about pre-settled status, settled status, 5-year route, this, but we haven't started discussing life after Brexit. We haven't started discussing life after the transition period, when we application for pre-settled status, we application for settled status, pre-settled status, no more settled status, their life will continue as normal. But EU passport or by the end of the year, what is going to happen to them? What they will need necessarily before Jumama Obi Krum has said, they will clearly need their work permits. They will clearly need an employer who is going to give them sponsorship for them to be able to come and work in the country based on the new immigration rules now, Home Office, and I say Secretary of State and their core parliament now, it's being debated. It is very, very important say businesses and individuals start thinking carefully, say, hey, once they come or once they are implemented, will my business be ready to fight, or will my business be ready to be able to employ people for my business to grow? Very, very key decisions that people need to do. And Fortwell Solicitors, look, we've been doing sponsorship license for businesses and individuals for a very long time. Yes, that is say sponsorship license, and now say managing sponsorship license and my businesses. So what we want to tell people, churches, organizations out there, and they say, look, if you want an organization to manage your sponsorship license, if you want an organization who will be able to put you forward and lead you to obtain those licenses, now look for a company established and that's my year over the years who can help you and make things easy for you. We know a number of businesses, organizations are in the past, not on more license, maybe. However, because they have not been able to manage it properly, and I said they did not get the right advice to manage it, they've been blacklisted by the Home Office.
Wow.
But just what you say, in the past, or year show or year more entertainment industry, you might know better than me, because more entertainment industry, maybe all more artists, exactly. 5 visa for them to be able to perform in the UK. Now here license to bring them in, because these entertainment companies, managing license, most of them have been blacklisted. Going forward now, a lot of businesses will need to get the license. It is important they get an experienced hands who have done it in the past, who can assist them to manage those licenses. And yes, sir, they will also fall foul, say you better blacklist you or more going forward. These are some of the things which is going on that you say a thief or no not omutimi bomb who but omutimi prepare for life after the transition period.
Right, and now we're updating information, lots of information. Ebeboa mene obi good. Sir, I think was so feed na high G in Radio UK. Na make out say legal with Fortwell Solicitors and yene wo mo Daniel Kwai, one of the directors and yene no ewa ha. O hwe Fortwell Solicitors wo mo unit 1 ground floor Katerina House 50A Clarendon Road London, North London, N8 ODJ. Omo telephone number troto ho. Until by the close of the show, no, over to me, Afre, na immigration, some anything about immigration and asylum, family employment, civil litigation, wars and probate, and then maybe breed, over to me from 0203 3257 030. Message is 0203 3257 030. And I say mobile, so 07944 976 07944 976 mpacho choroto wona frɛ ma men sorry na because we need me now we frame so na lawyer no number no mota yes anya bone it's all good but utie no afa ne preko na we twa na tum na bibia ye kama la questions be bra begu a mo so mutie o Facebook say da bia me ka say ho fast track. Who question be who issue concern be a o fast track file now the message no go American am a lawyer or no kwa no so be because on social Facebook no na ye yi anu ama so person first studio hands so number ni 0203 735 8820 0203 735 8820 o freba ye be answer na o person the message so eba your WhatsApp and a text line 0778 793 9958 0778 793 9958 ni nyina the faha ye be answer kama lawyer nipa we am so the question we by last Friday someone answer but was the money is here. Also, hi, good morning. I was wondering if I can use iPhone for the settlement scheme.
Settlement scheme.
iPhone or the iPhone by settlement scheme or no the other.
Yes, we share settlement scheme application process now. We know say omu use iPhones, there's a lot of problems that comes with it. We have seen it, we've tried to use it in the past and we've seen it. You see, say with the iPhone, it depended the type of iPhone I will use to one of their recent ones na but we use old models na and say no na
so or the application you mean so the phone
year application with a settlement scheme what happens in this year application in we are so app be the year identification check and I say ID check. And you know what happens in say we use phone no na udi twa wo ID. Okay. We are now we use phone no edi twa winning picture. Now it take into the app no is able to do an ID check for you. And for that, we've been seeing a lot of people having problems when they are using iPhones. But Android, funny kama. However, even with Android, in the recent weeks, the past few weeks, realize say in Crawford are still having problems using that apps. And an American beginning of the program, they say Home Office will have allowed say we are struggling to use the app system to do some identity check now. Go ahead, or call online, I'll call your application. We are let me send the ID documents and any other supporting documents on the Home Office. Someone can say my verification. And the only problem they say when it comes to biometric details now, so we know say most of the biometric centers are not open as we speak now. Not just say or train Kakra and say with the government opening up businesses. We are very confident that very soon almost will be on facilities amount for. Okay, you obi wo ahmanu so yenti na afi memfa the rest of the question emano. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Bako the chief.
Nyame adom ho ye pa na mo so
adum bia na yenso ekura mu aye de te hei lawyer ha no ne eni nkomo
oya fasa no pay me ma wachi
Daniel otene yo ya me tidenka me ma wachi
yo lawyer person me bisa question me no bi na my first question is since here with the pandemic na say we application for be a family member like Woyere and Nauma Ifrifi. Na say it be a omo grant you omo visa no a. Omo marry no omo so no sa 14 days isolation no. E be affect you omo ana. E be a wode omo aba we do UK hese a omo so sa nkofo no e be affect you omo. And secondly it be a year application open say who print you communication between one be a partner or WhatsApp no. WhatsApp no SCM say omo direct a call history no, but who calls no and who number of calls and no ube printing messages na kasa no we need to communicate and say calls no all the numbers no just to verify say be a nipa we won any ye call back messages in the any here e bia de make no what ma say
yo okay me dance bebre say o share omo we quarantine we na omo de abamu announce 14 days na apply for any individual ofi amanone a oba kronimu intino if anfansa na wakofa Woyere ene womba efi Ghana na omoba kronima you should expect say omoba they will also stay indoors for the next 14 days during the government announcement intino yentimi exclude omomaba has say that announce any other person yes you of them only be eba will have to stay 14 days almost so omoka. Well, second question regarding obtaining evidence for your application through WhatsApp. I agree. It is very, very difficult. Say, me take screenshots of your call history because that means say any other number bia from Ubiano will also show in the evidence. Until say year application akofa wo kanfo and also your application akofa wo baba near catch us akofa evidence of communication ebra. It is sometimes in a better say ube WhatsApp messages in the emum ede aba. WhatsApp messages very easy to download, it's very easy to extract that information from wo phone also into yes. My advice is we extract WhatsApp messages in the now with the application because I don't know communication in some more caninian. The evidence is clear. Nipana or consider application, they can read it if you are trying to establish worry ni pano na mo relationship be genuine obetimi a check the type of conversation I'm having now we're making him mind up say ampa relationship no genuine. I must add say na enye WhatsApp communication pe na obetimi e dey actually ebi wo ho no ma na nipa no one ne bon komo e Facebook any other social media platforms. If obetimi are obtaining those screenshots which may be much easier than WhatsApp phone calls now, and also possible say what they can wo application no yenya him say your community ne enye obiana or your WhatsApp chatting bebre nti no obi ho no ma still no or your old school or cotton card or bontina or their bear phone call. If that is your position, so finding ways with me is evidence no their call because they be make say yeah no your jumana yeah no name of the business is evidence. If your application be akọ na ose okwakofa wo jere okwakofa wo ba okwakofa wo kunu e dey aba kronima, if you don't show the evidence say ampa you have a genuine relationship, it can be very difficult for you to succeed with such an application until no matter what it is, as soon as I will realize it, say you are entering into a relationship with somebody that in future you will bring here, all these evidence near nyama as a utimi ekipi. Sometimes obi o no my maybe or the WhatsApp chat so or you film to say be media pictures near the send this. There's a way I'll bet me information, I won't for pictures in maybe audio files and encounter, and also you bet me up wow, I'm awaiting me at the account or application.
Hey, clear now. Hello. I was about meaning baby. Hello. All right, young to us now, emergency. Like happy young far, young court. Ahomano so na text message yemfa emra na kakra ewa ha. Yeah, question back could say, please, I'm on the 10-year route and I'm a social and health carer. If I want to switch to the 5-year route, does the government new free IHS for 1 year waiver apply to me as well, or is it for only overseas workers?
And no, in America say at the moment, clarification kakra any honor. When the announcement came, the implication and I said the impression that we got to know was the fact say this is going to be for all work permits, and as I remember, all has say on tier 2 visas as health workers. But we realize say the way it was expressed, this should not affect only work permit holders, because share care homes now. Majority of them any tier 2 visa, so majority of them or 2.5 years be now worry you need no chronic permit to be and or because for you to work in the care homes, and I say for you to be a care worker, most of them they don't need a degree to be care workers. Now, tier 2 visas so a year for more level 6 qualification and above. If they are saying say for work permit holders only, then it means genuinely no benefited from this announcement in Ebeka Krabi. Announcement in the yet the say issue guidelines at the home office for so that we know clearly the category of people who qualify for it and those who will not qualify for it. And America said we have written to them answered last week for them to clarify. Say almost 2.5 years, our renewal, and as will be a person switching from 10-year route to 5-year route. No, take the advantage of this proposal and answer this announcement. No, any application now, and we haven't had a response yet. As soon as we get a response, trust me, say. We will share it with your listeners, so that people can make an application or take advantage of it. For those people are on application, I got to know that ABI who instruct you, my advice is go back to the person, let the person contact home office for you on your behalf. ABI now you qualify for it. Obviously, if you qualify for it, they will definitely going to refund that money for you and make sure say you get your money back from whoever you give it to. By young clients there, we've informed everybody and we are in the process of making sure say if there's a refund due to anyone, the man.
Okay. Right, yɛmfa voice mail baako na afei so voice note na afei yɛntoa so nti la mebɔ na yɛntie.
Yeah, hello. Good morning, Mr. Host. Good morning, Lord Danquay. The Martinet.
No, sir, we don't form Kakra.
Me man volume.
Yeah. Okay.
First one, me a dependent relative for me EU national so. Na my resident card December, January 26, and I may apply for EU settlement scheme till net 26 near 4 months. Be based on the reference number of my EU national and I'm there about 4 months in Minty Bibianca. Obviously, be 1 month what 2 months. Timintia say, because before the crack time, me bread one for bare 4 years. I could call to answer a day, mammy. Timinim didn't hear when I may no every 4 months name my become the resident card na year. Patrol question 2 so person can go for December but na matin say it's about 31st December no what resident card inside the money no also more about 31st December this are there America in case you have pre-certificate na ma me na me kosa America na the ma me kosa am train. Third one you see new gardens be about in May ya you say you also of course depending on your relative and also that's a member of the household and some what renew akwakonya indefinite and I settle status but you no kwebe no la me that's pa momentum.
All right. Me for the first question no nama answer no with delayed applications under EU scheme delayed applications me perceive for channel to say very very common and yet unusual say obi be an application na obi die be bantem ejobi look be war examples of a month for a year application more on the same day the same type of EU scheme we're gonna within 2-3 weeks now but obedience so versus 6 months and by you see it is unfortunate say a bit more delays but that is what is happening at the moment obia circumstance different and I make a job is say share application it is very very difficult for you to get 2, 3, 4 types of application which is the same. You have to look at every application as an individual application because documents in situation in circumstances are leading to nipa they granting it's not going to be the same as yours. So obi a year application I will see maybe many year application many eba within 1 month but maybe any 4 months and buy into the problem be because entisa may sell year EU applications normally it takes up to 6 months okay into anything below 6 months and yet way a problem you need to understand that is the reason why so we application your mouth will be a friend a certificate of application which you can show to your employer say ubetimi aye juma which is valid for 6 months into for the first 6 months I'll do application at 2 minutes this is certificate of application amount understand they say the reason why your mouth has 6 months gap period is to allow home office to consider your application without any issues. If however 6 months now the amount certificate of application about the winner store home office for any making decision then you have every right to query the home office and write to them and ask them say the application is with more than 6 months then in a air course now omunshemu enye den and farmer and yes it can be very very tricky. I mean you say enye the best of news that you might want but that is what is happening at this stage. Unfortunately for COVID-19 with fingerprints we trust me 6 months is going to be more because we are fingerprint there's no way home office will be issue decision at the amount. I must yes a government should take note say we are not in normal times. Things are not normal. Home office for first normally making decisions quick near there no a delay kakra but last week say we had so many people's decisions coming in. You're from money the more money idea. Until decisions are coming in, normal be back be settle scheme, maybe EU applications near there. Decisions are coming in, but people should be a little bit patient. On be make decision not aba.
Okay, right. When you say hi, good morning, lawyer and Darling J. My ex-husband is a British. We couldn't get married, but we have a child through whom I've also got my 2.5 years. I traveled to Ghana. I found my boyfriend, I found a boyfriend, and the boyfriend has also applied a visitor to join me here in the UK. Now he's here. He decided to stay with me here. We live together. How can he regularize his status or his visa? Thank you.
Okay. A very interesting question that comes up a lot of occasions, not in exact way extended. British ni one na ware but one no wo ba e ma se omu ni hobi e na makwala no so ono so wire application me man 2.5 years or was so sisia ba oko Ghana e na James wa hia obi e na say boyfriend girlfriend kakra bam enti oso oba yi no ba be ma no so ono so apply the visa say oya obi ono so oya what to do to one no apply visitor visa no dey abakuru ha ba sesi omu mienu nete na am say nya dia why na Jesus obeko enti obeso hu say e kwa beso do so tumi obetumi anya asetra so ne bezam che no the truth of the matter is say over 2.5 years based on the fact say over British child and yet possible say ube use 2.5 years at the best sponsor another person on so edinya nenkrata. Okay. However, say yenya ba no etimi ene ne current partner na say the current boyfriend ewo ba. The Christ said ne bana on ne be wono ne bana enye British national. But on ne wo ba enkwa dia the fact on na wo ba no e betimi 2.5 years ediama sabe man so emanate na krum has any akwala no any akwala no and no be possible but oma wo ba na all that they are planning to do they say bia omo be ware enkwa dia then I will say it's going to be a little bit difficult for them to be able to regularize them and stay without any child being in the relationship. It can happen. We can say, oh, now say on ware on you bano akwala na or British no a stepfather. Yes, you need so your stepfather who was some responsibility be for that child, so that sometimes we can take advantage of. But we have realized from experience, even as a stepfather of a British child, so one person would need one name many eba enquire na a little bit difficult. But I must add, there are other options and I say other avenues are ubetimi aye. For instance, say bia only was stepchild fie na woni oba ankasa na nyame ye wadom na utimi eye adoption through the family court, then it possible say you betimi aje and krata amount without you yourself having your own child. Say bia only o stepchild na okotimi ko GBB a friend a special guardianship order or family court na it may be possible say betimi aje wankasa won krata ediama. This is the reason why sometimes we say if you were no or they will question it back straight away be catch you say oh we dey emfa but any witness ni share family circumstances na surrounding hona we who say bia na ekwan bi wo honoma e betimi afaso ni ye de aboa because obi wo honoma the actual child ne father no he doesn't mind say Obeka say okay because enyemene akwala na it is in the best interest of that child they say mema wo stepfather no legal guardianship in case say with me taking important decisions on the child's behalf. If the person is willing to give you that way there, then it's okay. Say you need me to start so
right. Thank you very much. Yeah, well, Obi wa humansuyan fan before say no so bekwa. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Patron me jina me class me jina so ba line no ekati.
Una frɛ ansa ni nyina so into one te baako kra.
Line no ekati about me play ni back away nti me saw me last question on me play ni back on Facebook nti me nya me answers no.
Okay, to answer.
Yeah. Lawyer, the person me bisa say me family buy this year. But unfortunately, this pandemic in me year application, more entry clearance, no tea. Me feel like I made you more, rest, permit, But me day application acquire, no, or more I return and crown passport, no. But no more and say meet me you see your passport me see in 2 coin, but almost years me 2 coin, it more return a passport, no. But Oma any reference ABA CBA in case CBA may track my application Oma reference there and no more institute CBA may enquire your mobile metric so they never stated anything as such. What do I do now?
But who okay. So we EU need a wire application ako normal reference number. That's a bit strange because normally no almost a day letter be a reference number so now the other question I maybe saw they say almost
or see passport no pen normal returning you
yes passport
just the passport
and omodi note that note no say just in case me per se me 2 kwan no more year back they are taking their decision, so I will hear from them very soon.
And with that, you don't have any reference?
They never stated any reference on top of the letter.
Okay, lawyer transfer.
If only any reference, I may advise and say on Home Office for no, now on requested for certificate of application because the only reference number near the passport number background pona. At least you need to have a document with a reference number on there. So, Oko Home Office website, Honoma, your email address, if you are Honoma, I'll wait to me. I yet request for certificates of application, which within a week, actually, so 2 weeks, almost the silent and ebeba, and they have a choice considering your application and in the whilst or more consider and say be and person mu ye juma no mu go school or make me use silent and ediako. It's very, very important say mobile requested for silent and as soon as possible. A email I send the Emma Home Office for them to give you that. Until this will be a wow and our year application. Now my advice is he might have and then they will be able to assist.
Okay. What's on your review? Hello.
And say line line.
Okay. Right.
One TV your number no was screen so I'm friend after the program.
Yeah.
Me born and change anymore if okay baby a train na green so.
Okay. Yo. Young call test line so. I say good morning lawyer. My name is Donald. Please, I have a question. I was supposed to have a phone marriage interview, but the Home Office canceled it. I just want to know if they will do it again or they will take the final decision. Please, thank you.
If you were due for an interview before COVID-19 lockdown came on, now Home Office for Arkansas, it will be very difficult for me to suggest say ombetimi den krata amma without another interview and now say omo is on my interview because previously we are not in normal times. We are learning as we go along. We know people you invite you for interview, but just because of lockdown, they've cancelled it. They haven't made decisions yet, but I have an experience of one case. They have gone ahead and issued Nipane leave to remain for the person because there was a bit of misunderstanding as to the date of the interview. I will suggest say invite you and say cancel. You just have to wait until the next letter, and unless next correspondence I'll be receiving if you home office for then you take your decision. But we can only hope and pray say the interview will not come on now on the issue way. We don't know if they are planning some virtual meetings for those interviews. Now this is a discussion I was even having last week with my colleague Patrick. Say those interviews, are they going to do virtual ones, and I said Skype and I Zoom for them, and I said we are in very 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 difficult times, but say train now. Hopefully you can get your decision without an interview, because be any honor or person interview until let's hope say be what the end
no more interview, not just say them. All right. Hello, good morning.
Pacho, good morning. Okay. Hey, Laura.
Radio no call from kakra bi my na yenya feedback. Why? Thank you.
Sorry. Hi, Laura.
Yeah, hello.
Pacho, good morning.
Good
Actually,
morning.
no, because the office number, the person come first today. Now, no, Casa or you.
You bet to me the amount. So open sir.
Okay.
Only 0203.
Pacho.
Maybe 1 minute for pen. Natural. Like I made the office number name man. Why?
0203
3257
3257
and then 030
030 3257 030.
So what you move banana and Cabaya correct? Oh, no, sir, no, our friend direct. No, I can't see him. 079 44 976 161
07944 976 161.
My man Fritz is here. This year, don't from far. Frebe, like on Fretambe.
On Frebe 11:30.
No, our friend. And this is your friend, Yajuma, because you are higher Bojuma. Why? Thank you. Bye bye. Lawyer, Yantuaso.
Yo, I think say all in all, there were a number of people are almost war issues because almost year application called 2 just before the lockdown. Because of that, and say they are air call. Make I just say, look, situation be they will definitely contact you if process now as have stalled because of lockdown. Now obi na yamawa manipano from time to time on your follow up on their air call, because some of the things, for instance, almost year application just before the lockdown, as during the lockdown, now as biometric and sana we progress. We've received feedback from home office. If you are home office 100%, you're sending documents in the move by email. So we'll share statements of changes are almost announced say on the 21st now. They have made it clear, say some of the applications, including settlements applications, they can receive it via email, and that will be a valid application. And that email, the date of application, will be the data on receiving here. Home office, realize they need to make things flexible for people. Making sure say will advise and answer will legal solicitor or your application is keeping you posted with current developments where home office say they are affected greatly.
I see where the afa baldo I see asamabo I see over 2.5 by BRP 2.5 years na wakoka Ghana okoye okonako no akodi 2 years okoye na say Nana Akufo-Addo Prima, the president of La Republic de Ghana, watobo dem also bi anka ho on pay yare bia odukuru. Now osi 30 May 20 just a chinechi year 28. Osi ne biometric the permit ni be sisi oda ho Ghana. Ohu ne BRP no. I'm say 2.5 years actually but yes, said you are say the same as BRP now. Or say the 2.5 years with Sanbu or the whole Ghana. They say, Sadia no on British High Commission and no monka Sadia no on ye. In terms of a situation be
a send a message in a buy, you know, in Pacho, on you na sooner on tie, okay. There were a number of clients and as a number of individuals are almost similar situation. You know, I can give you advice, and if you follow it, you'll be okay. Don't follow it, and so it's up to you. Say ovesa ne eba be whilst a Ghana.
So and 26, I got 2 days more. 28 May.
Ovesa ne eba be we Ghana, making sure say. One ma submit new application before a be amount. Very, very important because a say because of what Ghana no who the type of application are on yet. We have contacted the Home Office and they've gotten back to us on this very issue. Until they make sure say our application would be better even though we need Ghana. So we'll send the email Ecoma Home Office, almost specially dedicated email address. Now we hear application for visa waiver request. We hear visa waiver request. Very, very important. So our visa waiver request, you know, almost the mawa and no now would be airline. No. Now would be too quiet by UK to come and complete your application process. Into for individuals are Omakoka Ghana. It is very, very, very important you don't allow your visa to expire because you don't want a situation where there will be a gap between the time our visa expire and the time we renewal because gap naturally says our 10-year route you are going to restart the 10-year process again. Very, very important, very, very key because you need that be a flight now back road. Don't allow your visa to expire. So what lawyer will come has here instructs them to make sure so omode visa renewal on every 2 amount. We've done it for a number of people on my stranded Ghana. Follow it up with a visa waiver request to the Home Office. Very specific. If you don't put that information on the subject way part of the email, they will just ignore it. They will not even get back to you when you are making that request. There's a specific email, meet me in fact that email and Twitter at this very moment. But there's an email address that they have provided. You make that request, you obtain that, and then you travel with it, show it to the airline. They will allow you to travel to the UK, and then you come and continue your normal life.
Wow. Okay. Thank you very much. We also say, please, my question is, if you have 2.5 true parent of a British child, funny, also if you have if you have 2.5 true parents of a British child, can I use to bring my older son from Ghana together with my sole responsibility documents without my partner's support in the UK?
No, the answer is no. If who were 2.5 years visa because who are British national child,
yeah.
Now, opposite Okofa, and the first child, if you Ghana, the answer is no. It does not allow you to sponsor other people unless say you are making the application together with your current baby father. Okay, and as the other parents, then it's possible. But if you are doing it without the support of the one that you had your British child with, almost impossible. Say, yeah, they say, oh, they no. I can't now because it be a more partnership and also what arena then it's possible. So it's me with that child now. By yes idea and yet possible.
And yet possible. And Timini out there message, but I know say it's very, very unpleasant news to you, but you can do something else. Okay, so see, I mean, question be but lawyers will be monitor nafi.
Yo, said we are not in normal times. CCR no and lots of changes. But home office for and net on announce it then following we normal announce we and then normal changes we normal way into no amount for we due for renewal amount for time as so somewhere renewal and make some more very careful. Make sure say you are keeping up with the changes, so that BBA obey any future effect on you. NHS workers, social work, care workers, near they are almost due for renewal. No, so they are kind of good news. Abedaho amamo. And to make sure so you inquire if you qualify for it, you do it. And almost they are struggling financially. No recourse to public funds if we are continuing to assist them with recent case law near it's become much easier until you feel say you want to take advantage of it and so give us a call and we are more than happy to assist you. Fortwell Solicitors at the moment we are open for business as normal. Phone lines during the process during this lockdown we made ourselves available to you and for our clients. We make sure say Obia will not get stranded with any issues and has any legal paperwork, and we are continuing to do the same. We've provided safety measures. We've done the risk assessment. Over where your officer, you will realize that we have a booth, a glass booth that you'll be there, you'll be secured, is well clean without any issues. We don't want you to come and get infected in our office or to infect you either. Feel free. If you have to come in, you can come in. If you don't want to see any individual, you want to do contactless ways or services, or we have the services in place. I near what amount for, and yet all the time that you need to travel to us for us to be able to assist you. See the outcome the numbers at to screen also. Wow, person will fast. So we do free consultation. So we are doing free consultation for everyone. We don't try to do consultation. If you have any issue, you have any question, just feel free to give us a call. We will take our time and explain things to you.
Lions and I made you more akokrano. Me what question be na near TN say audio be trended this week. Egusukra trend pa oboni bi bema ni nyina begina point based system no so or say woye adwuma wa ban mu oboni na ekun audio bi akosom ni sure say wanya bi sa na ne tie ne say o person ma ethnic minority for na omoye key workers nto omo asese sisi ana say obi a or visa bi ana be send no for free amount no. Yes, it's a planting for them to be used. Na ye use omo wi after COVID-19 bibia sutwa ye be pam omo nyina. And even the government is trying to introduce point-based system. And you see, only a highly skilled person and yadi krum ha where the be ha. I just say I trend the pa. And the Bibisa as a lawyer, we have no crab as Obama for cry. Into your party says point-based system solely meant to kick away ordinary people as sabe actually. Oh, see, I a highly skilled just doctors and engineers and just all the ordinary there. You don't belong to UK anymore. No crab and
I can clearly and confidently tell you, say, the reason being is say we point-based scheme, or more target is to bring highly skilled workers into the country. Say almost some level of qualification be under the point-based system. Share or more salary threshold or the two publishing initially 25,000. Not just say a be a so usika no a nim kakra. No,
sorry to cut. Is it after tax or before tax?
Before tax. Okay. That's a salary. The salary before tax.
Before tax, that's per annum. Okay, all right, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, cool. But sir, visa extension scheme home office for Ediaba Omodema 1 year. No, Ediaba Manko for 8 years audio reporting. Look. How is it possible, say, you make you out if you chroma, say, if you are a British child, you chroma? How is it possible, say, you make you out, you chroma, if you are Akwalaya Wonwaha already 7 years are based on that means, they have found you, so when you be a friend in private life, I am out 2.5 years. And not possible. How is it possible, say, you be market just a KQ if you chroma, say, if you are legally in the UK? It's not possible. We have to understand, say, apart from the fact, say, sometimes the Home Office will take certain decisions which they believe will serve their political purposes. We also have an independent judiciary. Most of the time, if the decision doesn't sit well with human rights, we are able to challenge those decisions in the court. And the courts always tell them, say, look, and a typical example is the fact that I have no recourse to public fancy. Go for any access to benefits. The court have clearly told them, say, the policy in its current form is not fit for purpose. They need to reconsider it. Until Home Office are reconsidering their position. Until way conspiracies he wants to become popular and do all sorts of videos and say all sorts
people
of
actually
to scare people. Make sure say videos now money lawyers and as a money somebody who is well versed in this area will talk before you take certain decisions. Speak to a qualified person. Maybe I may cancel speak to a qualified person. We know only baby say anything because why you crowd ourselves it is say health say not say make sure say you do things properly. Now the answer
all right, thank you very much. I'm Sir Tasum pa I'm say yeah the best here I'm say now my final round up but bibi wo bi ma let's just say
bibi any hono but wow per say went me and free program no so I will any question be say them can free consultation your phone lines or just give us a call and we'll be more than happy to say yeah wow
now I say Bojos can say yes say e betumi akwaduma na ade ntra monko
yeah akwaduma
say amoko okay.
Oh yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Lockdown in Miano. So they catch lawyers were key workers. Into no yen there. Ejuma from just say Ejuma from Kenya for safety reasons. That's Ejuma.
Excellent. Okay. Into some Ejuma there me pacho. Question went to me. Ebi offer went to me and found for so. Bombardier 2 and Amoko Unit 1. Katerina House. 50A Clarendon Road. London N8 ODJ a postcode Odravia Twemwashi Temper Clean kwa and Wakra no adwo mo North Londonmpatam nyina no easy location Temper Clean station benwa ofa tuba unanti ya no adwo nti opese direction any further information for office line no sister bu ho ne kama 0203 3257 030 ofra omo ebe access in any way they can. O person friend lawyer and so a friend was 07944 976 161 07944 976 161. Inti ya debe si da sende obade ya nyama ya na da sende Bojos release yesterday ye be saba but I hope say by next Monday ye better good news. Me can you me see a better good news forecast keke na me ni manu si bone. All right, intila ye better ase ni ye je omu na wa ko adwuma
balin de dase ini ya de ti
okay
yo de dase bye all right ya di duma die na pawia ye ebinum asinkonya so mantie
events unfolding
ebinum nso behwe events are unfolding and ya unfolding ya no say ya the legal our jumedie and e bye